Do headlines about home prices have you feeling confused? If you're seeing the word correction and worried it means prices are falling, let me ease that fear. That's not what correction means in the context of today's housing market. It just means prices are normalizing after a few record years of appreciation. Today, home prices are still growing, but not as fast as 2021 and 2022. And here's the data to show it. This graph shows home prices are moderating. On the left, you can see home prices rose dramatically in 2022 due to high demand and low supply. There were a few months after that when price growth was basically flat. But now we're seeing more normal levels of price appreciation. The moderate price growth is good for you because it means the value of your home will probably keep going up after you buy it. Plus, making a home feels like a bit more manageable. While national trends matter, prices vary a lot by market. So if you want to know what's happening in your local area, let's get in touch. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.